Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. I am back with another video. So this is the second part of WhatsApp Status Saver, and in this part we are going to complete our WhatsApp Status Saver application. So in previous part we designed the UI, we see how to write the code to fetch the status from our folder of WhatsApp in Android 11 or 12. Now in this part what we are going to do, we are going to see how to save media files, images or videos in your local storage using media store if you are using Android 11 or 12, and using environment directory if you are using the application on below Android 10. So we will going to learn lots of things in this video, so don't further delay. Now let's start the video. If you don't like the video till now, then please like the video. So now let's start the video. So I open this application, WhatsApp Status Saver, new, and here you can see in this previous part I write this code. Now we have to start writing this code inside our setup recycler view function. So whenever user click on setup recycler view function, first of all we want to show a dialog to show you whether you want to download this or not, and if user click on download button, then we need to download it. So take in curly braces here and just type here selected status item. You can give any variable name. This is the name for click listener, and the type of the click listener should be model class. And what we are going to perform, list item clicked, and inside this pass your selected status item. That's it. Now open your adapter. Here we need to mention this parameter. So take a comma here, private val click listener, and the type of this is model class, and it will going to indicate to unit. So this is done. Now come inside your onBind view holder where we need to write the code. So if user click on any item, so holder dot iv status dot set on click listener, so we can call this interface. And what we need to pass here, we need to pass this model object which will contain the URI of that particular status. So model position. So this is done. Now open your main activity.kt, and we need to create this function list item clicked. So take your function here. So just type here private fun list item clicked, and it will going to take the data of model class type, model class. And now inside this what I can show, I can show the dialog, where dialog equal dialog, and inside this to show the dialog, first of all we need to pass the context of our main activity or your current activity where you want to show this. So I am going to show you this inside our main activity. Then set the dialog dot set content view, and pass your r.layout custom dialog. We already created this design. And then after this what we need to show the dialog dot show. Then we have a button bt download equal dialog dot find view id r.id dot bt download to download this, and it requires the typecast, so this is the type of button. And if someone click on bt download button, that's set on click listener, then what we need to do, we need to dismiss our dialog dot dismiss, and then we need to save the file, and inside this we can pass this particular status. Now we just need to create this function save file. So after creating this function, our entire application is finished. So before moving ahead on in this video, first of all I want to tell you an amazing platform, AdFames. So what is AdFames? So let us suppose if you are a content creator and you are looking for a brands to promote their content, and if you want to earn some money, then AdFames is one of the best platform to look for the creator, to look for the brands if you want to affiliate their product, if you want to monetize their products. So from here you can easily get the advertisement for your Instagram pages, for YouTube channels, and for other products. So I am going to provide this link in description, so make sure you can check out this AdFames links in your free time. So let's continue on our video. So now we just need to write the code of save file, how to save the file in our local storage. So we have two kind of files, one is mp4 and one is images. So we have to check this thing here. If status dot file URI dot ends with, if it is ends with dot mp4, then it means it is a video, and else it is an image. So the code for saving the video is different, the code for saving the image is different. So now let's see first of all how to save video file in our local storage. So val input stream, first of all declare the variable for input stream type. Then content resolver, we are going to use this content resolver dot open input stream, and inside this what we need to pass, our URI. So URI dot pass and inside this just mention here status dot file URI. Now this input stream contain the content resolver URI. Now first of all we need to declare our file name, or by which file name we want to save this. So take double brackets, take a dollar symbol, then system dot current time meals, then dot mp4. So you can give any name, it is your choice. Now we need to write the code inside our try catch block. Try val values equal content values, declare the value of content values type. Then we need to put the content in our content values, value dot put media store dot media columns dot display name, and we need to pass our file name. So it will going to show this file. Now we need to put our content values dot put media store dot media columns dot mime type. So this is the type of video, so video slash mp4. Now we need to pass the path values dot put, and inside this we need to pass our media store dot media columns dot relative path, and environment dot directory documents. I am going to store inside this directory documents plus videos. So just type a val URI equal content resolver dot insert, and insert your media store dot files dot get content URI, and first of all pass the volume name which will be external, and second thing your values. Now val output stream, so it will help to show the content after finalizing writing in directory. The variable type is output stream type equal URI content resolver dot open output stream, and inside this pass your it, and at last add a non-null assertions. And now we can check here if input stream not equal to null, then we can write our input stream in our output stream variable, output stream dot write input stream dot read bytes, and then we can close our output stream. And after this we can show a toast here, toast dot make text application context video save, toast dot length short dot show, and if some problem IO exception, and we can give any message here, toast dot make text application context fail, or you can show whatever you want. So this is the finalized code to save video in our local storage. Now let's see how to save images. So for saving image, first of all val bitmap, we have a bitmap in images. So media store dot images dot media dot get bitmap, and here inside this what we need to pass, we need to pass the content resolver and our URI. So URI dot parse, and from where we are going to use status dot file URI. Now inside this we have a bitmap. Now we need to save this bitmap in a file format. Val file name, first of all we need to declare the file name. Val file name, we are going to follow the same procedure, system dot current time meals, and at last we can give any extension jpg, png, whatever you want to give. Then give a variable file output stream, and it can be null or not null. So now we have a two type of code here. If build version less than or greater than q, then we have a different procedure, and if it is less than q, then we have a different procedure. So build dot version dot sdk int greater than equal build version dot version codes dot q. If it is it, then we have a different, and if it is, then we have a different. So here what we need, we are going to use content resolver dot also, and inside this, first of all, we can give variable name here resolver. Now we need to again take the content values variable to apply everything. So val content values equal content values dot apply. This is the same procedure which we done here, but the methodology is different, you can understand. Now we can put media store dot media columns dot display name, and here we need to pass our file name. Then we have a put media store dot media columns dot mime type, and it is a image underscore jpg, image slash jpg. Then we have a put media store dot media columns dot relative path, and pass here environment dot directory pictures. Now come outside from this bracket, take a variable for image URI, and here we need to insert this. Insert media store dot images dot media dot external content URI comma content values. That's it. After content values, we can store this inside our file output stream variable so that we can save it. So let open output stream pass this int. Now this file output stream contains the final result, same as like this. And after this we have to write an output stream, but we have also need to generate FOS if it is less than q. So to see how we can generate this, so val images directory, you can give any variable name, environment dot get external storage public directory, and inside this we can pass our environment dot directory pictures. Then variable val image equal file images directory dot file name, FOS equal file output stream, and pass this image. And at last we need to just write it. FOS dot use bitmap dot compress bitmap dot compress format dot jpeg, and pass the maximum quality, which is 100. And at last pass this it. And then we can show this toast dot make text application context image saved toast dot length short dot show. So finally guys, our WhatsApp status saver is ready. Now it's time to check our app whether the app is working or not. If it is working fine, then we will end this video, and if there is some error present, then we will solve that error. So our application build successful, and it will install the application inside our phone. So application installed successfully. So now here you can see all statuses are visible here. So let me try to save one or two statuses. So I download this one, I download this one, and let me save one video as well. So I download this video, I download this video, and you can see I am getting the toast of video saved, image saved. Now let me open my file explorer to see whether it get downloaded successfully or not. So you can see pictures are come here. You can see it is properly visible. So it means our status saver is working fine, and you can see videos are also present here, and let it play. So you can see it is also playing successfully. So finally guys, our WhatsApp status saver new is ready, and it is totally compatible for Android 11 and Android 12. So I hope guys you learned something new in this video. If you have any question, if you have any query, just comment down below. Please try to give the answer of, I will try to give the answer of every comment. Please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and please share the channel. If you have any question, just comment down below. So thank you guys, see you soon in next amazing product. Thank you, see you soon.